Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make pages uh, for the phase of UI UX designers with AI Agentics work. All what you need to do, go open the browser and then copy paste this link. After that it's gonna be having this one dashboard. So if you're gonna do sign up, go for the Google. I will check with the main one here. After sign upping with Google, you will have this prompt. I'm gonna be using the if you want the style and so on, you can clone websites, but here I'm just close it and then go for the Opus 4.6, and I want to get interfaces of landing SaaS solution related to esports. So here guys is gonna be getting the output and the mechanism, so just wait for it. uh, Elements that Analytic works, which aspect of esports does support the solution target, streaming, content, or general platform. So it's gonna be continue what the primary benefits for the want to emphasize, which is community and ease and accessibility, professionalism, and the tone is high energy gaming. Yeah, let's go. And after that it's gonna be styling and making the output. After that it's gonna be great. So guys, it's gonna be the process one. It's gonna be giving you some inspiration platforms. So you're gonna be select here, and then you will find the best things that to select with. Let's say you're gonna be going with this one. Then go for submit after the selection of inspiration, and then if there is any output I'm gonna be showing you how to get that, guys. So it's gonna be getting your formula testing or testing example. So the output, guys, is gonna be the prompt, this one. Just the thing is, if it is bugged or something like this one, aspiration browsing failed after you selection certain template, all what you need to do is just press continue, and then it's gonna be AI generation to continue the aspect and the elements for you. So after that I'm getting templates here, so I'm gonna be selecting this one, and then I'm gonna be open it in order to high scout it. And there you go, guys. Come on to your esport unique, the files, the element, the dashboarding, also trusted by which one, the KPIs that we are working, the games live in minutes, the trusted feedback, and also we got the pricing one ready to level up. And yeah, that's it, guys. How to get AI elements, UI UX designer thing, the high delivered, and so on. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Peace.